GSP is bringing an advantage that will outperform the competition. Engineered to the highest standards, GSP's new ADVANTEDGE Loaded Struts do the whole job in half the time. Struts and springs are some of the most important suspension components on your vehicle, but because they take a lot of wear and tear supporting the vehicle, they need to be replaced over time. Your strut and spring are responsible for setting the ride height of your vehicle and giving you a comfortable, stable ride. Struts and springs are also responsible for bearing the weight of your vehicle at all times, including braking and cornering. Worn-out struts and springs can lower gas mileage, cause premature tire wear, increase braking distances, and give your vehicle a rough, bouncy ride. At GSP, we're dedicated to supplying you with new, high-quality parts to keep your vehicle driving comfortably and safely down the road. Each GSP ADVANTEDGE Loaded Struts are put through a series of durability and endurance tests that meet or exceed OE quality and performance. Worn-out struts and springs give signs of age once they've reached the end of their service life. These include rough or bouncy ride quality, clunking noises over bumps, uneven tire tread wear, improper ride height, and visible wetness on the strut body. GSP ADVANTEDGE Loaded Struts are designed to OE specifications with performance and ride quality in mind, and also to ensure proper fitment right out of the box. Each of our ADVANTEDGE Loaded Struts are submitted to extended road force variance tests designed to simulate different driving conditions. This simulation allows us to develop a product that's ready for the road and whatever it may have to offer. GSP ADVANTEDGE springs are designed specifically for each application. This attention to detail ensures proper handling and maintains factory ride height with each installation. Our double lip oil seals are designed to clean and lubricate the strut rod while sealing the oil and gas within the twin tube design. GSP ADVANTEDGE Loaded Struts restore the integrity of the ride control system, including stability and control, to provide optimal tire-to-road contact. Because we use silent ride technology on every suspension component, our premium isolator bushings give our struts a longer service life, dampen road vibration, and give a perfect OE fitment. Because our coil springs are designed to each vehicle's OEM specifications, they provide optimal performance. The loaded strut rod is chrome-plated to prevent rust and corrosion, ensuring it's ready for a long service life. And each pre-assembled ADVANTEDGE Loaded Strut saves valuable time for our professional customers, increasing bay turns and car counts for safe installation. Now you know a little bit more about how the suspension on your vehicle keeps your car riding smoothly on the road. Check out gspnorthamerica.com for more information.